Top 15 Antibiotic Herbs to Fight Infection and Speed Healing. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Herbs have been used for centuries for their potential antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-boosting properties. However, it's important to note that while some herbs have shown promising results in lab studies, their effectiveness in treating infections in humans is not as well established as conventional antibiotics. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using herbs as a replacement for prescribed medications. That said, here are 15 herbs that are believed to possess antibiotic properties. Garlic, Allium sativum. Known for its powerful antimicrobial properties, garlic has been used traditionally to fight infections and boost the immune system. Ginger, Zingiber officinale, has antimicrobial compounds and can help alleviate inflammation, making it useful for treating infections. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea, often used to strengthen the immune system and potentially reduce the severity of colds and respiratory infections. Turmeric, Curcuma longa, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compound. Oregano, Originum vulgar, contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have demonstrated antimicrobial effects. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris, contains thymol, an active compound known for its antibacterial properties. Golden seal, Hydrastis canadensis, contains berberine, which has shown antimicrobial activity against various pathogens. Andrographis, Andrographis paniculata, used in traditional medicine for its immune-boosting and antimicrobial effects. Olive leaf, Olea europaea, contains oloropion, which exhibits potent antimicrobial properties. Neem, Azadirachta indica, used in Ayurvedic medicine for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. Calendula, Calendula officinalis, known for its wound healing and antimicrobial properties. Usnea, Usnea spp, a type of lichen that has shown potential as an antimicrobial agent. Oregon grape, Mahonia aquifolium, contains berberine, similar to golden seal, with antimicrobial properties. Cat's claw, Encaria tomentosa, traditionally used for its immune-boosting and antimicrobial effects. Pau d'arco, Tabebuia avellandae, contains compounds like lapachol that have been studied for their antimicrobial properties. Remember, while these herbs have potential benefits, they are not substitutes for professional medical advice and treatment. If you suspect an infection or serious health condition, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Additionally, some herbs may interact with medications or have contraindications, so always inform your healthcare provider about any herbs or supplements you are taking. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.